Hi and welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off active status on Instagram. If you don't want others to know when you're online, then this video is for you. I'll show you the whole process step by step on how you can easily turn off active on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now that you're in the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down until you see Messages and Story Replies. Tap on it. Once here, tap on Show Activity Status. Finally, toggle off the Show Activity Status option to turn off your active status on Instagram. And just like that, no one will be able to see when you were last active. I hope this helps and thank you for watching.